I've been freelancing for almost 3 years now, and it's the best decision I've ever made. If you're thinking about giving it a try this year, I'll share how I started earning US dollars from home, even with zero experience. Now, imagine freelancing as a video game. You start at level 1, no experience, no clients. Your mission? Find a skill, get your first gig, and level up. But before we get into that, let me share how my own quest began. I started freelancing in October 2022, just testing the waters, wondering if anyone would actually pay me for my skills. At the time, I was still working as a financial advisor at Sun Life, but honestly, I hated it. I couldn't see myself doing it forever. More than anything, I wanted to work from home. So I did a self check. What skills do I have? So I had a finance degree and years of experience in the field, but I wasn't happy anymore. I needed something different. So I explored online freelancing platforms, applied to different industries, went through tons of interviews, faced rejection, but I didn't give up. Then I realized something. I had 10K followers on TikTok. So I'd been using TikTok to get insurance clients, but as I browsed freelancing platforms, I noticed a demand for video spokesperson and video marketers. So I thought, why not give it a shot? And guess what? After so many applications, interviews, rejections, I landed my first gig. So my first client came from onlinejobs.ph, and my second one was from LinkedIn, and my third one was from Fiverr. In fact, most of my editing gigs came from LinkedIn. So if you want to build a professional online presence, make sure you have a LinkedIn profile. So check out my LinkedIn profile and let's connect. So that time, I even used my TikTok profile as my portfolio because I don't have any. I haven't prepared or I don't know how to create one. So when they ask sample works, I just give them my TikTok profile link. And it worked. It actually worked. I landed a lot of gigs because of that TikTok account. So now I'm growing my YouTube channel. So please support me. And I also run my own website, www.novidison.com. So please visit to strengthen my online presence. So as freelancers, standing out means putting ourselves out there. Building an online presence is key. It helps establish trust and makes it easier for clients to hire us. All right, so now back to you. So if you're a beginner, here's how you can start freelancing today. So as I've said earlier, let's imagine that your quest is like a video game. Okay, let's start. Every game starts with picking a character. So in freelancing, that means identifying your skills. So choose your character. Level 2, gear up for battle. And level 3, enter the battlefield. So let's go. Level 1, choose your character. What can you offer? Businesses hire freelancers because they lack time and skills. So they need help with social media content creation, organizing and admin tasks, project management, customer service, and so much more. So ask yourself, what can I trade for money? So do you have one of these skills? You ask yourself, what if I don't have the experience, the skills? The truth is, everyone has experience. Everyone has a skill. As long as you know how to use the internet and a computer, you're already ahead. So here are some simple skills that can get you started in freelancing. Can you Google information? You can be a researcher. Can you copy paste? You can do data entry. Can you organize files? You can be a virtual assistant. Do you know how to use Microsoft Office, Google Workspace? That's already a valuable skill. And learn how to use ChatGPT. It's free and one of my best freelancing tools. It's my best friend. So actually, freelancing isn't about having years of experience. It's about being resourceful and willing to learn. All of my clients didn't ask for my college degree, didn't ask if I am a graduate of this and that. They just asked me, can you do the job? That's what you're going to prove to them. If you can do the job, then you're a perfect match. Level 2, gear up for battle. Don't enter the freelancing world unprepared. here's what you need: a stable internet connection. So, this is your lifeline. A reliable and fast internet connection is a must have for connecting with clients and working efficiently. Of course, a payment method. Set up your PayPal or Wise or other platforms as early as now. I created my PayPal account years before I even started freelancing. So you never know when you'll need it. So get ahead. And of course, a portfolio. So even with zero experience, you need to show something. So this could be your social media profiles, if relevant to your niche, past projects, even personal ones, content you created for a friend in exchange for a testimonial. But if you are offering admin tasks, you can show them that you have organized files, you know how to do this, you know how to do that. So, like, tell them when you're studying, you organize your notes like this, like that. So, anything that is related to what you are applying. Okay, level 3, enter the battlefield. So now that you're ready, it's time to get clients. But with thousands of freelancers worldwide, how do you stand out? First is to start small. You can charge lower rates in the beginning to build credibility. You can also offer a free trial, like 1 to 2 weeks in exchange for testimonials. Usually, when you offer free, clients still pay you. I offered free trials to some clients, but they still paid me. They actually value your time and your effort and your sincerity. So, another one is be easy to work with. Good communication keeps client coming back. So, one of the most comments that my clients tell me is that I am easy to work with and I communicate well. I love feedback, so I always ask for feedback because it's for me. It's for me to improve, and it's part of the job. The more feedback you receive, the greater you will become. Another one is don't fear rejection. Because when I was in insurance, I got rejected thousands of times. That trained me to never give up. The more rejections you get, the closer you are to a yes. And once you land a happy client, they'll keep coming back. So freelancing is sustainable, but always save for rainy days. So where to find clients? So you can find clients on Upwork, onlinejobs.ph. So this is where I got my first client, and LinkedIn. So don't underestimate LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is great for referrals, and I got a lot of gigs there. So people can message you right away on LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is great for networking with professionals. So connect with me on LinkedIn. And now, where to build your portfolio. So you can build one on Canva because it's easy for resumes and portfolios. It already has a template that you can just follow and edit, and it's free. Another one is Notion. It's also free. So if you want clean and professional layouts, so I use Notion to organize my work. I'll drop my resume link below so you can check it out and you can copy. All right, so the next move is yours. Take action. Your first client won't magically appear. You have to put yourself out there. Good luck on your freelancing quest. So if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!